Alright, good afternoon. I just got back to the hotel. The excavator still has not been arranged today, so I've just been out running errands, so no real good construction clips or anything. Went for breakfast, and then that turned into stopping by the alcaldía, the government building, and then going over to the lawyer's office and meeting with them. I now have a rough plan of what it's going to take to get the building plan completed and the permits and everything put into order once the lot is flattened. So the taxes on the construction will be 1% of the total cost of the construction, and the building permit is 200 Cordoba, which is $7 to $8 for the permit. Alrighty, over here at Pointeen, grabbed a little lunch, got all my work stuff packed up, dropped off over at our friend's office. It does not look like we're getting the excavator in today, and when I get back to the hotel I'll try to see if I can get some internet and just make sure. So, but winding down, wrapping it up. The wall looks like it's all dried out. We got to put some more rock on some of the steep spots, but should hold pretty strong until we get some more rock out here. Saw up at the top they got a lot digging out some of the big ones, so hopefully we'll, once the lot is leveled, make it easy just to roll the rocks down here in a wheelbarrow and tip them over here to the left down into the water. So it was a good trip, got a lot accomplished, and we'll be heading home here soon. Tomorrow morning early, it's gonna be a long day of travel. Like I said, family's still down here, so if there are any issues and concerns, they'll be able to take care of whatever else needs to be done. Alrighty, last night in town. It is a beautiful evening out, cooling down, very nice and breezy. Not a hugely productive day today, got a lot of little stuff done. So good trip, winding down, early wake up tomorrow, a long day of travel. Like I said, just travel day, 3 flights, long day, but other than that, yeah, good trip, and y'all have a good one. finished up my third flight on the interstate now, heading home. Long day of travel, mostly uneventful. Did fairly well up until Miami. Again, late, always late. Not too terribly late this time, but still always late. And they're landing, man, that last landing on the runway was rough. That's probably one of the roughest ones I think I can remember. But heading home now, good trip. Well, should be able to start drafting soon. Get an idea on pricing and square footage and layout and all that sort of stuff. But be home in a little bit, and yeah, if I think anything else, I put it in here. But overall, decent travel day. Y'all have a good one.